Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back, and today I'm back with an unboxing of another headset from Blackstone. So this is the one which is DX2 bass head, and it says it's a fully aluminium headset. You'll be getting a carry bag with this, the headset carry bag, and it's a Tangle-Free headset. So if you have not seen the other videos where I've got two other variants from Blackstone. One is G20. It's a pure gaming headset. It's a wonderful headset which I've been using from many times. So I have used this for gaming like PUBG and other action game. And there's another one which is DX6. And this was sent by Blackstone. Both are very good premium headset, and it's worth of buying it. I'm gonna leave the link for DX6 and G20 also. You can check in the link, and if you want one you can go ahead and place the order. And before coming to the unboxing, I really like to thank you guys. Because of you I have reached 50,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and support. And that's it. Let's start the unboxing of this particular headset, which will cost you 2,499, the actual MRP. But Blackstone is giving a very good discount. I'm gonna leave the link of this particular headset also. You can buy it from Amazon. That's it. Let's start the unboxing. And if you're still not subscribed my channel, I request you guys to please subscribe and support, so it will help me in uploading more and more videos. Let's begin the unboxing. So this is how the package comes with. And this is the actual price, but trust me, they are giving a very good huge discounts on these headsets. So this and this is also a very good premium headset which I've got it from Blackstone. So here are the details. So this is the model number DX2, and it comes with the carry bag, and it's a tangle-free cable, and it's a all complete metal headset. So let's come over here. You will get a complete details. It has got a magnetic at the end, so you can see the complete details. It's a really good headset. Comes with 1 year warranty, so that's a good thing when you're investing so much on a headset, and you're getting a warranty also. So here it says the color. I have got the black variant. So let's open the package and show you. It's a quick unboxing. Wow, this looks very awesome. So that's it, nothing else inside. Let me just keep the package part. Okay, so nothing else. So you will be getting a warranty instruction card, and you will get a instruction manual how to use it. So please do check. If you're using for the first time, at least just go through once. I'm not asking you to study it, just go through once, so you'll have a complete information. And here comes a beautiful carry case, carry bag for this particular headset. Looks very premium, so I feel even this is a waterproof. Let's open the package, the bag. Wow, this has got too many stuff. As I told, it's a gaming headset. You have the mic. I think this is a mic and headset. Yes, let me show you. I'm gonna keep it over here. And here you have got a clip and the additional ear silicons. And here comes the actual headset itself. Oh wow, this is really cool, guys. So I really like the build quality. As soon as I see it, looks very premium. So I'm using boAt and other headsets also. I've got some headsets from Jix also. This I got it from Jix. It's a Bluetooth one, and yes, it's really a tangle-free. Because I was just wondering how would it be a tangle-free when it's a normal headset, but the rubber and quality is really good. So here you get call, answer, receive, track change, everything gonna work from here. and this is the volume over here. You can see it closely. You can just move it up for the volume high and move it down for the volume decrease low. And this part is really freaking nice. So this has got a bottom like magnet at the end, and the color code is really wonderful. Left is the blue one and right is the red one. So it's really you don't have to every time check the bottom to identify which is the right or left. And coming to the end, this is like coming to jigs, this is the best part, wherein usually when you are using your phone there are very much chances that it gonna cut, but here this design is the best design, because it will increase your mobile headset life. So this is really nice. Let me test this. I'm gonna wear this and test. And yeah, this is for your laptop if you're using your gaming laptop or a desktop, wherein you have to connect this particular part over here. This is how you're gonna connect, and this you're gonna connect to this for the headset port, and this or the mic port. So you'll have a clear mic audio and like output and input, mic and the headset. So let's just keep apart over here, and it's time to test the headset. Okay, I'm gonna place this over here back. Okay, so it's fine. We play some songs and have a check. So I'm gonna remove my other headset. So as I said, you don't have to every time check at the bottom. Pick it. Right is red is for the right and blue is for the left. Okay. Comfort wise, it's really cool. I don't feel that I'm wearing a in the ear headset. I don't feel it actually really. If I compare the other one, the boat and other things, I feel that something is inside my ear, but here it's very lightweight as though it's a metal. Let me play some songs and have a check. I have not played any song yet. I'm still just looking for the song. I've reduced the volume over here. It's really nice. So as I told, the feel is really awesome. I just love this. Even though it's a metal, the good part is it's a very lightweight metal and the complete thing, and it's a Tangle-Free, and you can see it's strong enough. So I'm just testing it. I don't want you guys to do it, because most of the time when you guys are riding bike, most of the time the cable gets stuck in the handlebar or the brake lever. So I'm just having a check of a durability, whether this is really strong. Yeah, they're really strong, and it's 100% Tangle-Free headset. So I've just mixed it, and it's just on the go. The headset is ready. So that's it, guys. So it's really nice, the good headset. So when you're playing a music or anything, you can just pause it. You don't have to leave it down. Put it back. It's gonna stay over there, and it's really nice. So thank you so much, Blackstone, for sending us such a wonderful headset. Actually, it's a premium gaming headset. You can use it for everything, all-in-one headset. So I'm gonna leave the link. Please do check out and buy it, and it's 100% worth of investing money on this. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna leave the link. There's a sale going on. Please do check out the link and buy one for you. It's a very good headset. It can add it to your headset this thing. So you can see I have so many headsets, even compared to both which I'm using. This still I feel that heavy inside my ears. Even this has a magnetic thing, but compared to this one, this is really cool and really lightweight. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for helping me in reaching 50,000 subscribers. If you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like, just let me know in the comment section how it would be better, so I can improve and I can work on that. So finally, DX2 Plextron, it's a wonderful headset, and guys, you gonna try this once. It's a really nice headset. That's it. Thank you. Catch you in my next videos. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.